go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's the Diwali look that I created. So if you are interested how I did this pink cut crease, then let's begin. I'm starting to prep my skin and I'll be using the PAC's moisture lotion, and I'm going to take a little bit, apply it all over my face. I really love moisturizing my skin before applying makeup. Like, it makes such a big difference, and you should do the same, because if you have dry skin or dry areas on your skin, your makeup literally clings on to those dry patches and it doesn't look good, trust me. To prime my face, I'm going in with one of my favorite primers from Color Bar, and I am just going to put that all over my face. So to begin, I'll be starting with the eyes. Today I'm going in with the eye primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics, just because this is a heavy eye look and I really want it to sit really well. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going in with Makeup Revolution's eye palette, and I'm taking the pink eyeshadow all over my crease and blending it all out. I'll be then taking some black eyeshadow and just applying that towards the outer edges of my eye. I'm going to take some concealer on the back of my hand, and using a flat brush, I'll go ahead and start applying it on my eyelid and slowly blending it down. Once that's done, I am using the same flat brush and I'm filling it in with some glittery eyeshadow. So you really need to be quick here so that the eyeshadow sticks onto the concealer. Then I went on with the same pink eyeshadow that I used before and popped that just towards the outer corner of the eye. And then just tapping the remaining color towards the center of my eye. I am taking the Swiss Beauty's liquid highlighter in these two shades and applying that to define the cut crease. Also applying the pink eyeshadow to my bottom lash line area. Moving on with these lashes by desi and some mascara. So I felt like the lashes were quite long for my eye, so I just went over with scissors and fixed it the way I preferred. I took some of the shimmery eyeshadow and used it in the inner corners, and using Color Bar's eyeliner, I'm going to hide the lash band and kind of wing it out. For my foundation today, I'm using MAC Studio Fix foundation, dotting that all over, and I'm gonna run it over with a brush. Going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer and putting that on my inner corners. Then I'm going in with MAC's Compact and setting my concealer with this. Now it's time for the bronzer to really define my face. So I'm taking some of the Sugar Cosmetics bronzer and bronzing my face, some on the forehead as well, and contouring my nose. For my blush today, I'm using Miss Claire's blush and I'm just applying this all over wherever I feel is necessary. Now it's time for lipstick, but before that I'm going to line my lips using this lip liner from Sugar. And for my lipstick today, I really wanted something subtle since the center of attention today is the eye. So I'm using the lipstick from Maybelline in Touch of Spice and popping that right into the center. To finish it off, I am using a gloss and I loved the way this made my lip look. Going over with highlighter, and this is my all-time favorite. It's such a beautiful highlighter. The makeup fixer that I'll be using is this one from PAC. This is the PAC's Micro Makeup Fixer, and I'm just going to spray this and melt all the makeup in. And this is the finished result. I was confused with the Mantika or without, so yeah, just ignore that. I loved the way this entire look came together at the end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then like, share and subscribe. Happy Diwali to you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.
I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends.